Okay, here's a map here showing the 4 locations of the golf cart bridges here in the villages. The one on the upper right is the Chitty Chatty Bridge. And that golf cart bridge should be operational sometime in the next 10 days. Here's a photo of it right here. It's located right by the Rohan Rec Center and goes over Route 44. I think in the next few days we should also find out who won the raffle to drive their golf cart over this bridge for the first time. I can only imagine there must be lots of people who entered it. And it's going to be a big occasion down there at the Chitty Chatty Bridge. Hopefully I can get down there and videotape the festivities, the ribbon cutting and so forth. And this ramp is so long on the south side of 44 approaching the Chitty Chatty Bridge. These are all still shots from the Gold Wingnut drone video. Gold Wingnut's got a great YouTube channel. I highly recommend it. And lately he's been concentrating on all the construction down in the southern area of the villages. So give his channel a look. You'll really enjoy it. Go ahead, leave me your comments.